I'm sorry, I have a cold, but if I sneeze, it's not my fault. Sorry. But, I might show you how to make this. But, so for now, I'm just gonna show you what it is and everything. Okay, so what I have here is a horse stable. It has a little tree attached to it, so it was kind of like, just a cute little design with like a little apples. Okay, and then it's a little, little window that they can put their heads through, or you can like brush them and stuff. And so right here's the water tap. Right here's the food tap. Right here's kind of like some flea spray on removal stuff. It's like it'll keep away bugs. This is kind of like a brush for them. And so yeah, it's like this part here will open. Horse can just come. Horse could just come out right here. It's kind of cute because look, there's like a little chimney on it, a little roof. I thought that was kind of cool. This is all from scratch, and I thought I just wanted to show it to you. But, I'll think about making it. It's kind of hard to make, but an easy way to do it is just to take off the top, which I did so that it's easy to take off. Just stick the horse right in there. Come on, little horsey. Just want to go back in the stable. So yeah, that's technically it. I mean, I can get a Lego. One second, I'll go get a Lego person. Okay, this is Floyd. Say hello, Floyd. Hello. And Floyd is going to help out with the horse. Do 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 do. One second. Sorry, this is a failure. It will easily break. So don't judge. Don't judge. Okay, so one sec. I'm so sorry. You're probably thinking, oh, this is so lame. Just hold on. Stay with me here. Do 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 do. But yeah, that's technically it. I might post a video on how to actually make it, but for now, that would take a long time, but for now I'm just gonna think about it, okay? Bye.